Here's 11 valuable hacks to remember before you leave on vacation. If you put down single-dose sachets like this, the product risks leaking out. Keep it upright by using a peg. Can't close your luggage? Sometimes to solve a problem, all you need to do is change your perspective. Wow! Make toothpaste tablets by adding baking soda. Practical and always ready for use. Give your car trips an upgrade. Thanks to a pool noodle, you will be able to sleep much more comfortably. Make an incision and fit the pool noodle over the seatbelt. Fantastic! Before packing it in your suitcase, protect your flat iron with a sock. Now it's safe from being damaged. If your toothpaste and toothbrush won't fit into the same bag, do this. Perfectly sealed. A smart way to water your plants while you're out and about. Bury the bottle and enjoy peace of mind while on holiday. Here's a foolproof hack for folding and organizing clothes in your luggage. Give it a try. Wet clothes? Wind up the cords and then let them spin free. This is the right way to roll your belt. And it saves space in your suitcase.